And
All right.
do the commentary.
All right, here we go. Second attempt. We are now screwing the bottle. Screw it.
Hence the reason I have it.
Come on. Come on. Push. Krista, push. Don't bite. Don't bite Chris.
Krista,
Don't bite Chris.
don't bite.
Don't bite Chris. Push it. Come on. we are smart.
I think. Wait, the screw.
Get in there.
If I can get some of it.
Get in there.
Wait, it's all there.
Oh, oh, oh.
Okay, baby.
Whoa!
Did I get the white sweater off?
You did. See, I was smart. I planned ahead. Take the white sweater off. See what happened here? And
That's right, baby.
now the juice is going down.
That's how we do in Salamander.